If your NVIDIA control panel just refuses to open no matter what you try, right-click, system tray, nothing works. Don't panic. Here's how to fix it step by step. Okay, first things first, let's try the easiest method. First, we need to open the Task Manager. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Now, find File Explorer in the list. Right-click on it and select Restart. If the issue was caused by a bug that prevents the control panel from opening on your desktop, this should fix it. Alright, if that didn't fix it, let's move on to something a bit deeper. With Task Manager still open, sort the processes by name. Then find NVIDIA Container. Right-click on it and select End Task. You'll notice there are multiple NVIDIA Container processes. End each of them one by one. They may restart automatically, and that's completely normal. Once you've done that, try launching your NVIDIA control panel again. Okay, if your control panel still refuses to open, let's try one more method that goes a little further. Now we're going to restart the NVIDIA services that may not be running properly. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and hit Enter. In the Services window, press the N key to quickly locate all services related to NVIDIA. The two most important ones are NVIDIA Display Container LS, NVIDIA Local System Container. Double-click on NVIDIA Display Container LS. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If it isn't, change it to automatic. Also, check if the service is running. If it says running, stop it and start it again. If it's not running, simply click Start. Repeat the same steps for NVIDIA Local System Container. After ensuring both services are running and set to start automatically, close the Services window and try opening your NVIDIA control panel again. And if none of these methods helped, there's a good chance your drivers are the problem. In that case, go to the official NVIDIA website, download the driver specific to your GPU model and reinstall it. I've used these fixes myself and they work in most cases. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.